So over the course of this recording, I've been actually trying to design a robot simulator using Python. So as you can see here, my file editor is open and I have 6 folders. So each Python file there is each and every different version of the app that I'm trying to build. And let's start from the design first. So I was looking around for designs of the UI. So if we open this HTML, that's actually the design that I was using. So this was actually what I was designing originally. So this is just Green Code Namibia community cleanup report. So if let's say there's a blocked drain in your area, or there's too much trash in your area, or there's like a safety hazard in your area, then you can just come here and make a report about it. So this was originally what I planned to build, but plans didn't actually go as planned, and so then I scrapped completely that idea and decided to come up with a robot lab prototype. So what's gonna be this robot lab prototype? So it's based. So my original plan was to build a Python application that simulates. It simulates having an actual robot. So as you can see in this HTML here, you can see activate clean, move 2 to 1, activate flight. These are all these were all supposed to be stuff for the app, but we didn't manage to get it. So I designed other products. So this was my initial design of this actual robot Python app. So let me just show you the logic behind this. So the blue dot that you see on the black part of the screen is the cleaner. It's like simulating it being a cleaner for that Green Code Namibia. So if we can get robots, then the robots will be picking up trash. So if you look on the left here, you will see a console, and if I type clean, you will see that the blue icon starts putting trash into the green. So if I add more trash, such as more this, if you look on the right, on the left side of your screen, you can see that the CPU is actually moving a lot, and we're actually going into negative battery percentage. So then now after that other one, I decided to now actually make a 3D version of this, just so you can actually see how it works. So it's not automated yet, you still have to move it manually, but this just gives you a 3D look of what the concept is. So if I place some trash there, and some trash there, then I just go. So I still did not also add. So if I just do that do I have to? So yeah, so that's just the concept of it, and this is just one of my designs that I have planned. So let me just show you other designs I've planned on making. And then this is a design that I also tried to make, which was pretty bugged. And the reason why I'm saying it was bugged is because you can't even move with this. So then over a course of a couple of minutes, I actually fixed and debugged this. So let me just show you that. So then this was the fixed debugged one that I actually built. So if you look on the left side of the screen, you can see WASD is to move, space is to jump. So I'm just gonna show you. So I'm pressing W, S is to go back, D is to go right, and A is to go left. So if I press space, it's actually not jumping. As you can see, the animation is terrible. So if I also press H, then it gives you that waving icon, and that's basically it, guys. If you guys wanna see me build more crazy shit, then make sure you blow up that subscribe and like button, chat. I'm actually gonna start building proper vids, no more clickbait thumbnails. I'm actually gonna code. I'm working on an actual Python app that is gonna blow you guys' minds. So make sure you stay tuned. And I'm still working on part 2 of the other videos that I promised part 2 of. So without further ado, peace. I chat, boys. If you guys like the content, make sure y'all like, sub, and check out my socials on the screen right now. Peace.